You can earn by posting about MetaEarth, and no, you don't need to be an influencer or a KOL. Hi everyone, it's Irene here. Welcome to the Show the E tutorial. MetaEarth launched the new Show the E campaign, a social activity that allows the community to earn more MEC while spreading the MetaEarth core missions: equality, ecology, and earth. Today we are stepping up the video task, and the rewards even better, 0.2 MEC every month. That's double the reward of the photo task. Just follow me step by step and you'll get the hang of it. Ready? Let's go. So the main difference between the video task and the photo task is that you need to show your unique invitation poster. Download it from the MEC Pass. Open the MEC Pass, tap Explore, find Show the E, tap Participate in the activity, then tap Download Show the E poster. And that's how to get it. You can print it out or just display it on another phone like I'm doing in this video.
Join me. Become a MetaEarth explorer.
Once you're set, find a city landmark. When you start recording, you need to do 3 things. First, hold your poster up to the camera. Make sure the invitation code is visible. Second, make the E gesture. Third, say the slogan aloud.
MetaEarth, I'm in Dubai. Welcome to the UAE community. Join me. Become a MetaEarth explorer. Me my way, show the E.
Of course, you need to replace the city and the region as needed. Remember, your face, the e-gesture, and the invitation code on the poster, all 3 need to be crystal clear in the video. If any of them are blurry, it won't pass the verification. When your video is ready, next thing to do is posting. You got more platform options: TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, all work. For the caption, you need to copy the official template from the MEC Pass. Don't change a single word. Make sure to add exactly the same hashtags. You can copy and paste directly. Don't forget to tag 2 friends and our official account. Heads up, our username is different on each platform, so make sure to not mix them up. Check the prompt on the screen if you're not sure. After posting, you still need to get 100 likes. Just like the photo task, share it to your friend groups to ask for likes. But here, the screenshot part is different. You need to play the video and post to capture keyframes. You need at least 3 screenshots. The first one poses on the frame where you make the E gesture. The second poses on the frame with the clear invitation code. And the third need to include the full caption plus the 100 likes. Don't use scrolling screenshots. Take multiple shots if needed. You will fail the review if you are missing even one. Once all your materials are ready, head back to MEC Pass to submit. The process is similar to the photo task. Open the MEC Pass, tap Explore, find Show the E, then tap Submit for review. This time, select Show the E video. First, check off all requirements one by one. Then select the platform, choose TikTok if you use TikTok, IG if you used IG. Next, upload the screenshots you just took and paste the video link. Important reminder, test the link yourself before submitting to make sure it opens properly. Otherwise, it'll be a waste if the link doesn't work. Also, on-chain submission needs a small amount of MEC for gas fee, so top up in advance to avoid getting stuck. You're all set now. The video task is that easy. Now you know how to do both the photo and the video task. You can earn up to 0.3 MEC per month. There are a few things to note on the screen at the end. Feel free to pause and take a look. You need to film new content every month. Don't delete your post and make sure the link is correct. Avoid this mistake and you'll be fine. I can't wait to see all your creative video with the E gesture. Me my way, show the E. See you next time.